we're going to show you how to make your own upcycled book Christmas tree. First of all, choose a book. Make sure it's a book that is damaged in some way. So we've chosen a book that we are no longer going to be using because it's got lots of damage. Secondly, you need to take off the outside cover. Then take off that first page if it's scruffy. If it's not, that's fine. And then, as you can see, the glue is on the spine. You need that there. So take about 30-ish pages, and then you'll need to tear down through the glue so that the glue stays, so the spine glue stays on that section of the book. As you can see, it's not as easy as it looks. You will need to just ease that away so that the glue stays, and that's so that the pages stay together when you need to fan it out. Get rid of the rest of the book. Take the top right hand corner and fold it down, and then fold again just like that. Fold it nice and neatly and pop that bit up at the bottom, and do the same on the next page. Just be aware of that bit at the top. Make sure you fold that bit in nice and neatly, otherwise it gets all bunched up, because that will be the top of the tree. I'm going to take a moment now just to give you a little bit of advice while we just fast forward and just show you that we're going to be doing the same on all the pages. When choosing the book, have a think about the book that you might be choosing. For example, we've chosen a nice children's book here. There might be some particular novels that you might not want to choose, just in case some of the wording is a little bit interesting. Just a note for the grown-ups. Right, grab some tape. And those two pages that were obviously the front and back page of the bits that you tore, just sellotape them together. And then fan it out nice and neatly, and then you have your tree and you can decorate that. So we're going to do some tinsel, and we're going to do some little decorations, some little blue baubles. But you can do whatever you like with anything that you have lying around the house. And there you have it. That's our tree. Hope you enjoy. Bye.